this machine today, and I think there's no problems with it. This is the only thing. It's missing a plug, and I will put a plug on it today, but I'm not doing it right now. If you look in the liquid tray, I'll just give you a look. Handed is in the liquid tray, and you've got all your control panels. This is your start button. This is the rinse plus button. Recorded time 1200, 600, rinse hold. Then you've got off 30. Yes, Bosch Classixx 1200. What year old is it? To 4 years old. And there's the door. Obviously the cut's a bit mouldy in here. Oh god. I just don't want to touch it. There it is. That's dirty, isn't it? Oh yeah, where's the old one over there? Papa, just zoom out a little bit. No, there. Well, it's a little large capacity, which ours is bigger. Ours is, I'm not going to tell you because this is just about a Bosch. And also it's got different looking drums in it. Papa, instead it's like little dots instead of hexagons. It looks like, God, well the extensions, God, well that's new. Now I'm going to put a plug on it, but I forgot to show you this. This is the drain hole plug right here. This will unscrew if you need to. Obviously I emptied it when I got it. Oops, wrong way. Looks like I've got to go over to the other side. Close that door out of the way. There it is. That's how it looks like. Are you videoing? Right, that's it now. That's the plug on. I've just reconnected it and wired it all up. Now I plugged it in and let's see if it works then. I'm selecting a 90. Yeah, 90. No. Yep. Let's put it on cold. Oh. Is it closed? There we go. Now I'm putting the water in it. And I want to put it in main wash. I'll put it in every one of them. In every capacitor until it's all washed. Let's put the rest in there. Why are they not starting? Do they need resetting? I can't see any water. Wait.